Hello students, welcome to your social science class. In today's class, we are going to begin with part 6 of chapter number 12, Government Services. So, let's quickly recapitulate whatever we had learned in the earlier videos. So, the points to remember: the services that the government provides for the welfare of its people are called government or public services. Now, what are the different types of government services? Maintain law and order, healthcare, education, banking services, and other services. So, we have almost discussed in details about maintaining law and order, healthcare, education, banking services. Now we are going to discuss about the other services that are provided by the government. Now, what are these other services? The other services that are provided by the government are the postal services and the fire brigade. Now, first we will discuss about the postal services. The services provided by the postal services are: the main work of the post office is to send and receive mails or letters. There are facilities of registered post, speed post, direct post, and etc. The financial services given by the post office are e-money order. E-money order means the internet money orders, saving schemes, life insurance, etc. So, we can send and receive the letters and the mails through the various posts which I have discussed just now: registered post, speed post, direct post, and we also can keep our money safely in the post office with the help of e-money orders. You can transfer money orders, saving scheme, you can deposit whatever money you have saved, and you can also do life insurance. Now, here are some images which are related to the postal services in India. So, you can see the logo Bharatiya Dak or Indian Post. Then you can see the services which are rendered by the persons who work in the post office. Then you can see a postman, he is putting the seals. Then you can see a post office. Then again you can see a postman, he is collecting the letters from the post letter box. Now, next we come to the fire brigade. Now, what are the main functions of fire brigade? The main functions of the fire brigade are: they put off the fire, as you know from a very early class. They rescue the people from dangerous fire. They also carry out relief operations during the time of disasters such as flood, earthquake, road accidents, and so on. The police and the defense forces also comes to the rescue of the people during the time of disasters. This we have discussed earlier also. Now you can see the images which are related to the fire brigade services. You can see the life-saving jacket which is worn by the people who work in the fire brigade, and how the fire engines are rushed to the places where fire breaks out, and with the large huge pipes they extinguish the fire and they save and rescues the lives. So have a look at the images. Now we will discuss about some important numbers. So the government of India has provided us with some important emergency numbers where we can call at any time of emergency. Now we have the national emergency number, which is 112. Then for police we can call to 100. For fire, you can call 201. For ambulance, you can call 202. For missing child and woman, you can call the number 1094. And for childline help, you can call to the number 1098. So these are the very important numbers. Now, your assignment for today will be to complete this fill in the blanks. So, thank you children for attending the social science class and take care, stay safe. Thank you.